Welcome. This video is going to be about Etcher at first. This is ArcoLinux. No, it's ArcoLinux, but it's another application you can install with sudo pacman-s. This one, sudo pacman-s archi3, and it provides also information just like NeoFetch does. You'll notice in April there is a big difference in ArcoLinux D, and because of it we have lots of more packages on our repos. So go and have a look and see what's in there. So Archi3 is another way to show the amount of RAM, for instance, that we have in an XFCE OpenBox i3, so the flagship. You see also the percentages here of my SSD. So okay, that's something new. Right, you install it if you like it. The thing is, I always tend to tell people install Etcher. Etcher these days is very simple. Sudo pacman-s etcher, and it's etcher bin binary, so it's a quick install. If you see bin, it's actually poof and it's there. If it's without bin, often it needs to be built, and you see a lot of coding pass by, and until yes, finally it built and it installed. So the binary is a shortcut version, let's say. We have etcher bin, we had it already, and we are advising users, if they are on Mac, if they're on Windows, then they should use Balena Etcher, so this application here. Then if you are on ArcoLinux already, there is no need to install anything. There is already this one, USB image writer. It's been working like 5 years, never had issues with it. The only thing that happens is that Python is upgrading and it has a new number. Well, you need to rebuild the package, obviously. But for the rest, it's super great and stable, and it always works. All the distros are 80 or more distros. You can check that out on ericdubois.be. There I maintain the Sardi icons. I've installed so many ISOs with it without problem. But even so, you can install Etcher on ArcoLinux, but please advise all these people who are using Rufus and Unet Bootin and all the other things, stop it, use Etcher. It works fine. Now I need to have an image. I don't have an image yet, I don't think so. So let's go to cthost. And I want to learn something myself. So cthost, ArcoLinux is one of the ways you can Google it. Or you just go to arcolinux.info and get it there, right? The link. Let's make a small download, fast download, right? So the ISO itself, that's all I need. And let's see at the speed we get 24 seconds, and it's here. So it's quite fast indeed. I thought we saw the speed here. I guess not in, what am I in now? In Chromium. So I'll soon have an ISO. What you need to do, we have to select an image. Select the target, flash things, what's in here. Problems, auto mount, validate, trim, auto updates enabled. No, that's not gonna work. And a safe mode, dangerous, whoa. So let's not do that. We have our ISO in the meantime for sure. Select an image, go to downloads, that's the one, 1.4, open it, select target. Now I'm gonna put in my USB, and I'm gonna pop out my Bluetooth little dongle. That's 1, and that's 2. So I'm gonna change. Look at that. You have here 2 possible choices, you see, and there's already something on there, and that's fun, of course. At the front end of my desktop I have 2 USBs. I probably could add more, I don't know, I haven't tried. I just wanted to give it a go, to do it together, 2 at the same time. I've never done that before, hence the learning. So 2 targets, and I needed some time to time, because you're testing an ISO on 7 PCs, and you just can't wait for one to finish and the other and the other and the other. No, we want to have 2 installations or 3 installations at the same time. So we flash 2 targets. And that's it. That's the technicality. Download it, put it in there, and it's flashing its targets. Now I'm not gonna wait for the reboot and the proof and all that. I've done it, right? It just works. And please advise people who are stuck. I see it from time to time on Discord and Telegram. Say one word, etcher, all the way up, all the time. It's gonna work. Of course there are other solutions, I know that. But if you want to have 100% success and they all come back with, hey, great, works fine, well, use etcher. Okay, I'm out. I'm gonna let this thing burn and not use it. Enjoy your etcher.